Can you imagine alien environmental scientists coming to this planet Earth, our home, and sampling the local vegetation? Can you imagine when they eventually found the rainforest and explored this amazing ecosystem, realizing that this system has more abundant life, more biodiversity than any other system on the planet? Our destructive lifestyle is putting whole rainforest wilderness areas at risk of extinction, wiping out an unimaginable number of different species. I think that's quite sad. That's something we need to confront. We need to feel it and we need to respond, because it's our responsibility with this knowledge and this awareness to take action, to put our energy into solutions. Think of the number of food items that you eat on a regular basis. Chocolate, avocado, coffee, they all originate in rainforest ecosystems. Think about the air that you breathe and all the incredible life forms that we share this planet with. And we have a moral obligation and a responsibility to speak and act on behalf of. Think of all those species that make up life on this planet. How are you going to feel in decades from now when you look back and you say, hey, wow, I was a part of that generation that stood up on behalf of the planet as a whole and acted and took action. And I invite you, I ask you to join me and join together within your community to take action on saving our planet's rainforest.